The hare leaps 500 centimeters every 20 seconds. The tortoise crawls 250 centimeters every 50 seconds, but gets a 1,000 centimeter head start. Use any method you know to determine how long it takes the hare to catch up to the tortoise. Honestly, I'm just polluting the water here. I'm sorry. I probably shouldn't say anything because really, there's a lot of things that you guys can figure out. And so maybe instead of having a complete solution here, I'll just talk about some things you might want to consider. Um, One of them is, I can write equations that express, the tortoise, and the hare's distance from some start. And what I really want to know is I want to know when their distance from that starting line is equal. Because if their distance from the starting line is equal, that means that they've caught up with each other. And I could write two different equations that would model it, right? So I could let h be the hare's rate, and that is 500 centimeters every 20 seconds. So 500 every 20 seconds. And the hare's distance, well, I don't need h to be the hare's rate. I'll just say that is the hare's rate, right? That's the hare's rate. That's it's moving 500 meters every 20 seconds. I could do the same thing for the tortoise. The tortoise has a rate that is 250 centimeters every 50 seconds. And if I think about their distance from the starting line, at any amount of time x, I'll say x is time, the hare will be, 500 over 200, over 20x. So the hare will be 500 over 20 times x. So I guess I'm going to say also let x equal seconds. I don't know if it's seconds of race or just seconds moving. So if the hare is moving, oh dear. If the hare has moved 1 second, right, then it would have traveled a distance of, if time has traveled for 1 second, then the hare would have moved 500 over 20 centimeters. And if, time gets up to 20, then the hare would have moved 500 centimeters. The tortoise, its distance from the start is the 250 over 50 times x, but it gets a 1,000 meter head start. So really, if h, and I guess I should define these variables more, if this expression right here is how far the hare is from the starting line, and this expression is how far the tortoise is from the starting line. And really what I want to know is when those two expressions are equal. Because when they are equal to each other, that value of x is when they've basically caught up with each other. I think I've said too much here.